guys, just a quick promo video, if you want to call it that. We posted yesterday on our website or on our social media pages that we've now got these little 2-liter stills in. 2-liter Alembic Still looks exactly the same as our 5-liter stills and our larger ones, but as you can see, very small. Only 2 liters in size. And a lot of people asked and posted and sent messages and mails, but why a 2-liter still? Isn't it too small? Some people ask, is it for essential oils? Well, technically, yes, you could do essential oils in it, but that's not what it's meant for. But people have trouble wrapping their heads around, can this be used to produce alcohol? Now, practically, yes. You can use this to produce brandy, you can use it to produce rum, you can use it to produce whiskey. Is it worthwhile? Well, let's see. If you've got a 2-liter fermentation in there at 15%, that's only 300 mils of absolute alcohol available. Your recovery rate in a still like this is about 65%, so 300 mils times 0.65, it's about 200 mils of absolute alcohol that you're going to get out. And that, diluted down to 43%, is 465 mils of product. So, if you were to make a 2-liter fermentation and put it through here, you'll get about 500 mils of moonshine, mampour, brandy, rum, whatever you want out of it. Well, it's not bad if you're playing around. And if you've got a limited budget for equipment that you want to buy, yes, you can consider this. Talking under correction now, but I think these stills are about 3,000 Rand thereabouts. They're affordable. The real reason for this 2-liter still, however, is for people that want to make gin. Either make gin at home to drink or to do gin product development. Now, those of you that's already done training with us here at Distilling, either in-house training or maybe you're doing our online training, which we started a couple of weeks ago, you would know that when we teach gin product development, we work from a basis of starting a flavor library and then using that flavor library to blend the gin, where in the flavor library we infuse individual flavors on its own, then we blend and then we work that back to a final recipe. But we don't infuse a lot at a time because that amount of alcohol, it's expensive to make, it's expensive to buy, and you don't need a lot of alcohol to build a flavor library. So we only use about 1.6 liters in a still, and then we actually waste alcohol. We only use about 1.6 liters in a still to make a liter of infused product that goes into the library. So why use a 5-liter still if you can use a 2-liter still? Specifically for gin product development. And for those of you who want to make your own gin, or you want to do gin product development, but you don't want to make fermentations, you don't want to learn how to make fermentations, you don't want to wait to make fermentations, all you do is you go to the liquor store and you go buy vodka. Cheap vodka, I'm not going to mention names, but any cheap vodka, you can buy that and you can use it in here. And you can turn 1 bottle of vodka, cheap vodka, into 1 bottle of gin. All you need is this little still and a ginning bag. So you take the vapor chamber off, you pour your vodka inside, you take your ginning bag and put it here in the neck, like so. Put your botanicals inside, put the vapor chamber back on, attach it to your condenser, and there you go. Et voila, you've got your own small little 2-liter ginning still, so you can make your own craft gin at home.